Have Bowie here, guys. It's Lily. That's King. That's Rainy just kicked King out. That's Queenie. I have Lily here, guys. And I have her partner there. Rain and Bowie there. And where is he? Elvis there. So basically, guys, the Cockatoo leaders, the ones that lead the flock, they're actually, especially in this area of Daisy Hill, they're very well known by the animals here, especially the crows. And when Petunia gets up in the roof, or if one of them rings the alarm, all the birds listen, whether it's the pigeons, the honey eaters, the king parrots, and other cockatoos, including other flocks. They all listen to the alarm call, and they, leave the place wherever they are. They leave the zone of danger. And it's often, danger is often either a predator, like a bird of prey, or some other animal, I guess. But usually the silver-crested cockatoo are not afraid of snakes. But they ring the alert for other animals. And there's a snake, the silver-crested cockatoo rings the alarm, and all the other little birds run away except the silver-crested cockatoo. She's not afraid of, hey, that's not on. Except, the silver-crested cockatoo doesn't run away. She's not scared. When the color-red Australian hoot was here, Petunia sounded the alarm. All the birds, left the place, including her flock. That's her two birds. Coming. Morning.